Have you ever wondered what that popping sound during an adjustment is? Well, it's called a cavitation and it's actually pretty cool. So what is a cavitation? Well, when we adjust the spine, we're moving the joint in a way that creates a sudden change in pressure. This change causes gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, which are dissolved in the synovial fluid, to form tiny bubbles. When these bubbles collapse, they cause that familiar popping sound. It's that same sound that when you crack your knuckles. And this is completely normal and safe. Cavitation does not mean that your bones are breaking or anything harmful is happening to you. It's just a natural part of the adjustment process to help restore proper motion into the joints. The next time you hear that pop, you can relax knowing that your body's getting back to its best.